Utram, Strasvice, Kagdila. You might be wondering to what I've said. Hello friends, I am Advi Singh. Welcome you all to Phonetics Pro. It is the first institute in Himachal Pradesh of 4 languages. So today I have said good morning, hi, how are you in Russian language, which ensure you that today we will gonna discuss or learn something about Russian language. Yes, Russian language is the mostly spoken language in Europe. It is the 5th official language of United Nations and ranked majorly international language along with Sanskrit, Hindi, French, Spanish. Now, as we are learning about Russian language, let's learn something new. So first is, Russian language is a Cyrillic script. Why it is a Cyrillic script? There are 2 reasons which makes Russian language Cyrillic in nature. Firstly, the person or the brother who invented Russian language are Cyrils. Secondly, some of the alphabet of Russian language are different in writing and so are different in reading, which makes Russian language Cyrillic in nature. Russian language is originated in 9th century. Russian alphabets may seem intimidating. Now the next thing we are learning about Russian language is Russian language difficult to learn or speak? I'm gonna tell you. Yes, it has a reputation of being very difficult language to learn. And it is indeed especially for those who have native English speakers rather than European speakers. The person who has started to learn Russian language will become very talented to learn any other language because of its significant feature of Cyrillic language. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And yes, comment and share below if you have any query. Thank you. Spasiba. Have a nice day. Take care.